an ear and possibilities were when she was 6 months old, because she was singing in her crib and on pitch.
And I started writing lyrics and melodies, and my friend and I would go to Mom's house and we would work there. And that's one of the first times that I was able to get, I was 14, and when you talk about being influenced, I was heavily influenced by Mom in terms of her creative suggestions or her opinions. Like, she would never interfere with my flow of the writing, but she always had these great suggestions for us and helping us figure out how to shape a song, or and she was also the one who helped me to copyright my songs. So when I was 14, I was copywriting songs because of Mom, so that was very influential.
I would like to now call up the surprise guest. This is a lady who's had a lot of trials and tribulations in her life, and she just lost her voice about 2 years ago, and she lost all of her joy. And now she has her voice back, and her joy is back, and I want her to share it with you tonight. My daughter, Monica Hope. Second generation.
Monday, but Tuesday is just as bad. I say they call it Stormy Monday, but Tuesday is just as bad.